Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is shopping time. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. I don't go shopping very often, but when I do, I enjoy it a lot. Shopping is a great way to relax. Last Saturday, I went to the mall to buy some new clothes and accessories. I went to the clothing store. I needed a new dress for a special occasion. I looked at many red, blue, black, and even green dresses. Finally, I chose a beautiful yellow dress. It was soft and comfortable. Then I looked at some skirts and blouses. I found a white blouse with small buttons and a blue skirt. They were perfect for work, so I decided to buy them. Next, I looked for pants and jackets. I found a pair of jeans that fit me. They were dark blue and very comfortable. I also tried on a black jacket. It was stylish and warm, perfect for the cold weather. I liked it a lot, so I bought it. After that, I went to the shoe store. I needed new shoes for my dress. There were so many choices: high heels, sneakers, sandals, and boots. I tried a pair of red high heels, but they were too tall for me. Then I found a pair of black shoes with a small heel. They were elegant and comfortable, so I bought them. I also bought a pair of white sneakers for everyday use. Then I visited the accessory shop. I love accessories. I looked at necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. I bought a silver necklace and a pair of small earrings. They were simple but beautiful. I also needed a new handbag. I found a lovely brown leather bag with small pockets inside. It was just the right size for my things. Finally, I went to the cashier to pay. The cashier smiled and asked, "Did you find everything you needed?" I said, "Yes, thank you." I paid with a credit card and took my shopping bag. I was very happy with my purchase. Before going home, I stopped at a cafe. I ordered a cup of coffee and a piece of chocolate cake. It was a perfect way to end my shopping day. I sat by the window and watched people walk with their shopping bags. Everyone looked happy. Shopping is fun, but it is also important to buy only what you need. I had a great time at the mall, and now I have beautiful new clothes and accessories. Now, Let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. What did I buy for the special occasion? I bought a yellow dress. What kind of jacket did I buy? I bought a black, stylish, and warm jacket. What type of shoes did I buy for everyday use? I bought white sneakers. What accessories did I buy? I bought a silver necklace, small earrings, and a brown leather handbag. What did I do before going home? I stopped at a cafe and had coffee with chocolate cake. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.